Hi, little friends! I'm Sparkly, your Golden Star teacher. Welcome to Little Star Rhymes. Fun learning, bright songs, happy smiles, and yes, totally ad-free fun, because learning should always be joyful.
A, B, C, D. Count the world with me. E, F, G, H. Let's go explore today. Sound effect, rocket launch countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. It's a great big world, just wait and see. From mountain tops to deep blue sea. North or south, east or west, every country's the very best. A is for America, home of the free. B for Brazil, with jungles and trees. C is for Canada, so big and wide. D for Denmark, where Vikings reside. E is for England, with castles so tall. F for France, where the Eiffel stands tall. G is for Germany, with pretzels to eat. It's a great big world, just wait and see. From mountain tops to deep blue sea. North or south, east or west, every country's the very best. H is for Hungary, with thermal baths warm. I for India, where peacocks perform. J is for Japan, with blossoms so pink. K for Kenya, where lions drink. It's a great big world, just wait and see. From mountain tops to deep blue sea. North or south, east or west, every country's the very best. L is for Luxembourg, it's tiny but neat. M for Mexico, with spicy treats. N is for Norway, with northern lights. O for Oman, where stars shine bright. It's a great big world, just wait and see. From mountain tops to deep blue sea. North or south, east or west, every country's the very best. P is for Portugal, where explorers sailed. Q for Qatar, where towers prevail. R is for Russia, so vast and grand. S for Spain, with castles so grand. T is for Thailand, with temples so high. U for USA, where eagles fly. V is for Vietnam, with lanterns so light. W for Wales, where dragons take flight. Y is for Yemen, with coffee so strong. C is for Zambia, hear the lion song. The moon is rising, our trip is done. But the world keeps spinning, what was your favorite one? Dream of places you go someday. The world's waiting, hooray!